Okay, so we're here. We're checking into the Grove Hotel in Boise, Idaho.
All the way from home.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
So this is our room.
Oh, this is cool.
Caitlin, turn the bathroom light on for me.
Wait, what? Oh, okay.
So here's the bathroom.
It's not a private one. We share, right?
And then here's the bedroom.
There's a roof over here.
Hey, Caitlin.
Hi.
Oh, wow. So sweet.
Yeah.
This was the 25 upgrade?
Yeah. So there you go. Let me go out and see if I can get a shot. Can you open up the curtains, baby? A shot of outside on the patio. Looks like we got a little view.
Why is it so big?
I think it's a shared.
Yeah, it is.
Go, thanks, babe. Oops, sorry about that, everybody. So this is outside on the patio. Boise. And that's it. Grove Hotel. What is it? Room 412. We're up on the 4th floor. See ya.
Good morning for the Grove Hotel Terrace. This was our terrace outside. That's our bedroom right there, the middle door with the door open there. And this is our view. Terrace on the Grove Hotel. It's got chairs and tables for people to have parties up here. And just our view of the Boise area. So here we are at the Grove Hotel, room 412, right there with the open door. You can see our terrace is up here. It's a group terrace. Everybody just to hang out. We got the flags. We got the view of Boise area. See the building up there. It goes way up there. We're on the 4th floor. You see downtown Boise here. Part of it anyway. See the stadium lights way over there. And there you go.